3 ways how to recover deleted TikTok videos on iPhone. Method 1. How to recover deleted TikTok videos on iPhone without backup. To recover deleted TikTok videos on iPhone without backup, you can use third-party software. There are a great number of software available, but among them, it is hard to look for the best one. We would like to suggest you use Eassiy iPhone Data Recovery. It is one of the most powerful third-party software programs that can help you to recover all your deleted or lost videos from iOS device. Download and install Eassiy iPhone Data Recovery software on your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer together. Select the option to recover from an iOS device. Once your iOS device is recognized, automatically, the program will scan the data on your iPhone when you click the Start Scan button. To preview your videos, choose Camera Roll or Photo Stream when all the data is displayed in the windows. You can mark all items for recovery by clicking the button at the bottom right. Once you have selected what you want to recover. Method 2. How to recover deleted TikTok videos iPhone via iTunes Backup. Open iTunes on your computer. After connecting your iPhone to the computer via USB cable, on the left sidebar, choose your iPhone and then tap the Restore Backup button. After that, from the list, choose one of the backup files that you think contains your deleted videos. Click Restore to start the restore process from the pop-up window. Method 3. Recover deleted TikTok videos on iPhone via iCloud. First, you need to go to iCloud.com. Then make sure you sign in with your Apple ID. Tap Account Settings. Until you see a row titled Advanced, scroll down. Click Restore Files in the Advanced option. That's all.